Hi guys, Tim here. In this video I want to show you a really cool opportunity. So if you want to start an e-commerce store or a dropshipping store in 2025 and create a new side hustle, or even want to make dropshipping or e-commerce your main business, then I think I found the perfect solution for you. So of course, yeah, you can create your own dropshipping store from scratch. But if you are not that tech savvy, or if you don't have the time to build or to create a dropshipping store with WordPress and WooCommerce from scratch, then yeah, I think I found the perfect solution. So right now, AliDropship, I think, yeah, if you are a little bit familiar with, or if you are familiar with dropshipping, WordPress and WooCommerce, then yeah, I think you heard about AliDropship. So AliDropship is the main company for dropshipping with WordPress and WooCommerce, and right now they build dropshipping stores from scratch for you for absolutely free. I am on the website right now from AliDropship, and here you can see they will create a dropshipping store for you for completely free, and you can test this out. If you got the dropshipping store from them, you can test it out for 14 days for completely free. And if you like it, if you like the store, if you like the business model, then yeah, you can completely take over the store, and then you own the store. So this is super easy. Here you can see, I will put the link to this page in the video description down below, so make sure to check it out and read it yourself. Here you can see 100% hassle-free start. Your business launch is organized by us from A to Z. Let us know your preference. So this means you tell them what products or what products you want to sell. What niche you are interested in. For example, you are interested in the pet niche, for example, then you tell them that they should create a dropshipping store about the pet niche, about dog niche, or pet article in general, I don't know. And yeah, then they will start creating your own professional dropshipping store with WordPress and WooCommerce, and then they hand them over to you, and then your 14-day free trial period will start. And yeah, then you can start testing around. If you like the store, yeah, if you start making money with the store, then you can buy the store from them or subscribe to the plans. So, and I think this is a really good opportunity, especially if you don't have that much time, or if you don't have the knowledge, or if you don't want to learn this because, yeah, you don't have so much time. Then yeah, you can take advantage of this service, and I think this is really cool. So here, all you have to do, subscribe to the pro plan and get the free trial. Then you fill out the survey, then they will build the store, and then yeah, you can start driving traffic to the store. And yeah, of course, it is a normal WooCommerce and WordPress dropshipping store. You can later on customize this. You can add articles, you can add products, change images, change the layout. But yeah, you have something to start with, so you don't start from scratch. They will build the dropshipping store for you, and here you can see some examples. This store makes 523,000 per month. Of course, this takes a little bit time until you are there. Yeah, and of course I want to show you the main benefits of WordPress and WooCommerce. So of course the main benefits of WordPress and WooCommerce, that is cost effective. So WordPress and WooCommerce, yeah, are open source software. You don't have to pay for the software. The software is completely free. Then it is fully customizable. If you want to have specific functions, if you want to have live chat or other specific functions integrated later on in your store, then you can easily add them. There are plenty of videos or plenty of blog posts out there where everything is explained, how to add specific functions to your new store. It is very user-friendly. So of course you have to learn a little bit, or yeah, watch a few videos or read a few blog posts, and then you will understand how this works. And I think when you will get the store, let me see, I think they will tell you how everything works. Yeah, our somewhere I read that, yeah, they will with our help and start selling. Yeah, they will tell you how everything works. So this means it's very user friendly and scalable, so you can add as many products as you want. You work with either Salvia, or you can work with AliExpress. So that means you can import any article you want, and this is completely scalable. You can add 100 products or 100,000 products to your store. Then yeah, all kind of integrations, payment methods, and everything. So yeah, WordPress, WooCommerce, I think, you know, you can do everything with it. So yeah, and then if they build your store and you will get the store from them, you will get the keys handed over, then yeah, your main job is to yeah, create some traffic to the site. So and here I made a quick graphic. How to promote your new store. Of course, yeah, you have to promote your store, otherwise yeah, you have a new store, nobody knows about your store, and your job is to promote the store. Yeah, this is literally your only job, to create traffic to your store, to promote your store. And there you have some different options. You have content marketing / SEO, so that means you write blog posts, you create interesting landing pages, or you create content for the product pages or the category pages, so that Google will send you traffic. Then there is social media marketing. So if you can start a Pinterest account, you can start Instagram, everything you can imagine, LinkedIn, you can, or Facebook, all social media accounts. You can make posts there, or create videos, or create cool infographics or something like this. You can do video marketing. You can start your YouTube channel or your TikTok account or your TikTok channel, and drive traffic from these channels to your website. Or of course, if you want to have fast traffic, then you can create a paid advertising campaign. So that means yeah, Google advertising, Bing advertising, Facebook advertising, so on and so forth. And this is of course the fastest traffic source you can get. And yeah, this is literally what you have to do. You have to create traffic with these 4 methods. And of course, the best case is that you are using all 4 methods to create traffic to your store. And yeah, so when you create targeted traffic, then they will come to your store, and then they will hopefully buy from your store. And yeah, this is what I want to show you in the video. So I will put the link to this website in the video description down below. So you have yeah, nothing to lose. You have a 40-day free trial, and they will create your own dropshipping store. If you like it, then you can take over the store and manage the store and start making money with the store. If you don't like it, then yeah, you cancel it, and I don't know, then you start something else. So yeah, and I think that's it for the video. So make sure to check out this website. Even yeah, go to the website, check it out, read everything yourself. Sounds very good. They even have yeah, testimonials, and they have an FAQ section. Here's an FAQ section. This is really interesting. Make sure to read everything and then start your free trial, and yeah, then start make some money in 2025 and beyond. So I think that's it for the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And yeah, please press the thumbs up button if you found the video informative, if you found the video interesting. Also, yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and please support me on my Patreon page. All the links in the video description down below. So then, yeah, thank you very much for your time and see you in the next video. Bye guys.